If you no longer need your Claude AI app, then the best thing to do is to go ahead and delete it permanently if you have no future plans to use it. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step process on how you can permanently delete your Claude AI account. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, to get started, go ahead and first log into your Claude account, and I'm logged into mine here. Then go to your profile here, click on it to see settings. Go ahead and click on settings. Under settings, go ahead and choose account. Now under account, we have an option to log out. So if you just want to log out of all devices, you can use this option. However, if you want to permanently delete your account, you can see we have an option here to delete account. Proceed and tap on delete account, and you're told that deleting your account is permanent. You will have no way of recovering your account or conversation data. So if you wish to secure data, you might want to export it. I've just left a link on how you can export data down below. However, if you are okay, go ahead and tap on understand, and you'll need to go ahead and enter your account password if you had set one before you can finalize the deletion process. For my case, I won't delete it because I'm still using this account. So that's how you can permanently delete your Claude account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.